You need to hear this if you're an animal lover. Ever heard of the frilled shark? This deep-sea dweller looks like a mix between a shark and an eel. Its frilly gills and snake-like body give it a prehistoric vibe. But don't let its looks fool you. This shark's been around for 80 million years. It uses its 300 needle-like teeth to snag prey in the dark depths. And get this, it can swallow prey half its size. The frilled shark is rarely seen by humans, living thousands of feet below the surface. Isn't that wild? Comment below your favorite animal fact, and don't forget to hit like and follow for more awesome animal stories.